lesson, Mockups, we're going to learn the power of using mockups and apply our work to Photoshop templates to bring your designs to life. Now that we've created the artwork and refined the design to meet our collaborators' wants and considered the project applications, it's time to make your work irresistible. As we all know, imagery is powerful. When we're scrolling socials, Pinterest, a store, we're drawn to beautifully designed products and photos. What draws you in? What have you seen sell well, and why do you think that's the case? The way we share our work has the ability to get a swipe, engagement, a purchase, or licensing opportunity. Learning to use mockups will help your potential collaborators envision your designs on their products. What products do you dream of your designs being on? Find a mockup, free or paid, and apply your design. Some resources for these are Creative Market and Createsy. For your ease of use, confirm that the file you're purchasing or downloading is a Photoshop file rather than a JPEG. You can also learn to create your own mockups too with a JPEG, and that's worth learning too. But for this application and just learning, it's great to try an already made template in the PSD format. Now let's run through a quick mockup overview. You're going to open up Photoshop and the file that you've downloaded, the template. Next, I want you to open a pattern repeat file. Once you have your pattern open, I want you to go to Edit and Define Pattern. That pattern will now be saved in your library. Next, go back to the mockup file and find the design layer on the right-hand side of the panel and double-click. Now go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Pattern, and then you're going to check Use the previous layer to create clipping mask, then OK. Then you'll scroll and choose your pattern in the drop-down menu. You can here play with scale and placement. And then click OK. Next, press Ctrl+Save and click back to the original file. Just like that, magic. If you're not in love with how your pattern looks within the image, you're welcome to go back and adjust the scale and placement as much as you'd like. And if you were like me and more used to Illustrator, the more you practice, the more you'll get used to working in these layers. If mockups are new to you, you may dive deeper when you download the mockups. A how-to is almost always provided. Once you've created your mockups, they're perfect to share on social media, Pinterest, your website, etc. If your design is available for licensing, note that in your posts. Leveraging mockups can transform how your artwork is perceived, making it more appealing to potential collaborators. By presenting your designs on products through mockups, you give life to your artwork. Opt for Photoshop files for easier manipulation, and don't shy away from tutorials to sharpen your skills. Sharing these mockup visuals on your digital platforms not only increases engagement, but may also generate licensing opportunities.